We have a set of keys up here in the press box. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to San Ramon Valley High School. Announcement before we get started with the band. As a longtime member of the San Ramon Valley community, I am privileged to make this following historical announcement.
I'm standing up.
For the first time in 101 years, San Ramon Valley High School now has stadium restrooms. And attached to that restrooms is a state-of-the-art concession stand, which we hope we will all take advantage of for the rest of the season. There are three groups that were involved in this project: the Wolf Foundation, the San Ramon Valley Unified School District Facilities Department, and we want to make a special thank you to Helen Worstel, who over the past 4 years has dedicated herself to the completion of this project. Without her dedication, the project would have never been completed. Thank you, Helen Worstel. The San Ramon Valley High School Marching Wolves would like to welcome everyone to tonight's first home game against Amador Valley High School from Pleasanton. The 2011-2012 Marching Wolves will begin this evening's pregame show with the following musical selections: Big C from the University of California at Berkeley, and then we will invite everyone to join in as our national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, is presented. We will then follow that up with the San Ramon School Song. The Marching Wolves will be under the direction of Drum Major Mackenzie Dimmler, who is assisted by Nicholas Niehaus, and the color guard section leader is Aaron Gowan.